I am Avnish Kumar Misra and I am going to solve the first question of the end semester examination. So now let us solve it. Question says that in a room containing 20,000 cubic feet of air, 600 cubic feet of air flows in per minute and the mixture, which is made practically uniform, is exhausted at a rate of 600 cubic feet per minute. So what is the amount of fresh air Y of T at any time if Y at 0 equals to 0, which is the initial condition given in the question. And now they are asking that after what time will 90% of the air be fresh. So first of all, let us note down what all things are given in the question. So they have given the total capacity of the room. They have given 20,000 cubic feet, and then the inflow rate of fresh air is given as 600 cubic feet per minute, and the rate at which the air gets exhausted, it is also given as 600 cubic feet per minute. Now let us assume that let Y be the amount of air at any time T. Then its time rate of change will be given as air inflow rate minus mixed air outflow rate. So the time rate of change will be air inflow rate minus mixed air outflow rate. So air inflow rate is given as 600 cubic feet per minute. Now we have to solve for mixed air outflow rate. So the fraction of air that is getting exhausted it will be calculated as 600 upon total capacity, that is 20,000. So it will come out to be 3 upon 100, which is 0.03. Now the mixed air outflow rate will come out to be 0.03 into Y. Now coming to this equation, we can write that time rate of change will be written as dy by dt equals to air inflow rate is given as 600 cubic feet per minute minus mixed air outflow rate we have calculated 0.03 Y. So we can write dy by dt as y prime equals to 600 minus 0.03 Y. When we rearrange this equation, we will get y prime plus 0.03 Y equals to 600. So this is a first order non-homogeneous linear ODE. So it resembles to the form of ODE, that is y prime plus p of x y equals to r of x. Here y is a function of t, so we will be using t in place of x, and if we compare this solution and this solution, so we can very simply infer that p of x is equals to 0.03 and r of x equals to 600 from here. So the general solution of this ODE is given by y of t equals to e power minus h c plus integration of r e power h dt. So now let us understand what is h and what is r. R we have taken that it is 600, and now h will be given by integral p dt. So p is 0.03, so 0.03 dt, which will come out to be 0.03 t. So we have used r e power h, which will be 600 e power 0.03 t. So when we start putting the values in this equation, we can do so. Y of t equals to e power minus 0.03 t c plus integral r, which is 600 e power 0.03 t. Now we have to solve it. E power minus 0.03 t c plus, when we solve this, then we will take it out 600, and then 600 when we integrate e power 0.03 t, we get 1 by 0.03 will come in denominator, 0.03 into e power 0.03 t, e power minus 0.03 t c plus, this will be 20,000 e power 0.03 t. When we multiply the whole thing, the whole term with e to the power minus 0.03 t, we get c e to the power minus 0.03 t plus 20,000 into e power minus 0.03, and e power 0.03 will become 1 because they will cancel out each other. Minus 0.03 plus 0.03 will be 0, and e power 0 is 1, so it will be 20,000 only. Y of t. This equation will also be taken as a reference in later part. And now we have been given in the question that initial condition y of 0 equals to 0. So when we put y of 0 equals to 0, then c, when we put t equals to 0, then e power 0 will become 1, so c plus 20,000. So the value of c will come out to be minus 20,000. Now the second part is asking that after what time will the 90% of the air be fresh. So second part says that y of t equals to 90% of 20,000 equals to 90 upon 100 into 20,000. It will be 18,000. So if we put y of t equals to 18,000 in this equation, then c we have found out to be minus 20,000, minus 20,000 e minus 0 raised to the power minus 0.03 t plus 20,000. 18,000, and we rearrange it to 20,000 minus 20,000 e power minus 0.03 t, and when we take 20,000 common from here and we divide, we take 20,000 this side, then this becomes 18,000 upon 20,000 equals to this 1 minus e power minus 0.03 t remains on RHS side. Now this becomes as 0.9 equals to 1 minus e raised to the power minus 0.03 t. So 0.9 minus 1 equals to minus e power minus 0.03 t. So 0.1 minus equals to minus e power minus 0.03 t. This minus and this minus cancels out. So when we take log on both the sides, it becomes ln 0.1 equals to minus 0.03 t. When we put the value of ln 0.1 and solve for t, the t roughly comes out to be 76.7 minutes, which is approximately 77 minutes. So this is the final answer, this second part of the question. So after 77 minutes, approximately 77 minutes, the 90% of the air present in the room will be fresh. So hope I could explain the question and the steps clearly. Thank you.